I am cutting vegetables. I am cutting vegetables. He is frying the vegetables. He is frying the vegetables. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. He is drying the dishes.
Yes.
He is drying the dishes. I drink coffee every morning. I drink coffee every morning.
He drinks milk every day. He drinks milk every day.
I am making tea. I am making tea. He is drinking tea. He is drinking tea. I am drawing a picture. I am drawing a picture. He is coloring the picture. He is coloring the picture. I am cooking in the kitchen. I am cooking in the kitchen. He is cooking with me. He is cooking with me. I am opening the door now. I am opening the door now. He is closing the door. He is closing the door. I am writing on the board. I am writing on the board. He is reading the board. He is reading the board. He is reading the board. I am walking on the road. I am walking on the road. He is walking beside me. He is walking beside me. I wake up early. Huh? I wake up early. I am picking a flower. I am picking a flower. I play football in the evening. I play football in the evening. I go to the park every day. I go to the park every day. I eat fruits every day. I eat fruits every day. I am feeding the cat. I am feeding the cat. I listen to music daily. I listen to music daily. I read books daily. I read books daily. He is waiting for me. He is waiting for me. I watch TV at night. I watch TV at night. I am writing my name. I am writing my name. I write in my diary. I write in my diary. He dries his face. He dries his face. He dries his face. He is entering the room. He is entering the room. I clean my room every day. I clean my room every day.